Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something super important for smartwatch users: outdoor display readability. We all love our smartwatches, but what good is it if you can't see the screen when you're out in the sun? So, let's talk about the key factors affecting how well you can read your smartwatch display outdoors. First up, we have brightness. This is arguably the most crucial element. The brighter the display, the better it can combat sunlight. Look for smartwatches with high nit ratings, ideally over 600 nits. This ensures that the display can overcome the glare. Next, screen technology matters a lot. OLED displays are fantastic because they offer excellent contrast and deep blacks. This means text and graphics really pop, making them easier to see even in bright conditions. LCDs can also be good, but they sometimes struggle with contrast compared to OLEDs. Then, there's the display finish. A glossy screen looks great indoors, but it's a glare magnet outdoors. Anti-reflective coatings are your best friend here. These coatings minimize reflections, allowing you to see the display more clearly. Look for smartwatches that specifically mention these coatings. Ambient light sensors are also important. These sensors automatically adjust the screen brightness based on the surrounding environment. This helps to conserve battery life, while also ensuring the screen is bright enough when you need it. Now, let's look at some real-world examples. Imagine you're running on a sunny day. A smartwatch with a dim screen and a glossy finish is going to be a struggle to read. You'll likely have to squint or even find shade to see your stats. On the other hand, a smartwatch with a bright OLED display, anti-reflective coating, and automatic brightness adjustment will be a breeze to read. Beyond the technical aspects, consider the watch's user interface. A clean, uncluttered interface with large, easy-to-read fonts is essential. Complex graphics and tiny text are difficult to see, regardless of the display quality. So, when shopping for a smartwatch, keep these factors in mind: brightness, screen technology, display finish, ambient light sensors, and the user interface. Read reviews and look for real-world tests that specifically address outdoor readability. Don't just take the manufacturer's word for it, see what other users are saying. In summary, choosing a smartwatch with great outdoor readability enhances your experience. It ensures you can easily see your notifications, track your workouts, and stay connected, no matter where your day takes you. Thanks for watching, and happy shopping. Hey everyone, and welcome. Today, we're diving into something super important for smartwatch users: outdoor display readability. Let's face it, your smartwatch is useless if you can't see the screen when you're outside. So, we're going to explore what makes a smartwatch display easy to read in bright sunlight. First, let's talk about brightness. This is the big one. A display's brightness is measured in nits. The higher the nits, the brighter the screen. When you're outdoors, especially on a sunny day, you need a seriously bright screen to overcome the ambient light. Look for smartwatches that boast a high nit count. 1000 nits or more is generally considered good for outdoor visibility. Some high-end smartwatches now go even higher, offering 2000 nits or more, which is fantastic. Next up, screen technology. AMOLED displays are often favored for their deep blacks and high contrast ratios. This means the difference between the darkest and brightest parts of the screen is significant. A higher contrast ratio makes it easier to see what's on the screen, even in bright conditions. LCD displays can also be bright, but they might struggle with contrast in direct sunlight. Some smartwatches use transflective LCDs, which use ambient light to their advantage, becoming more readable in bright conditions. Now, let's consider the display's surface. A glossy screen looks great indoors, but it's a fingerprint and glare magnet outdoors. Look for smartwatches with anti-reflective coatings. These coatings reduce glare, so you can see the screen more clearly. Some smartwatches even have matte displays, which are specifically designed to minimize reflections, making them ideal for outdoor use. Another factor is the display's size and resolution. A larger display, naturally, gives you more screen real estate to see information. However, if the resolution isn't high enough, the image might look pixelated, making it harder to read. A higher resolution ensures that text and graphics are sharp and clear, even on a smaller screen. So, you want a balance between screen size and resolution. Let's not forget about the operating system and software. Some smartwatch operating systems are better optimized for outdoor visibility than others. They might have features like a high brightness mode that kicks in automatically when you go outside. Also, the user interface design plays a role. A simple, clean interface with large, easy-to-read fonts is crucial for outdoor readability. Finally, let's talk about color. While vibrant colors can look appealing, they might not be the most practical for outdoor use. Subtle colors can sometimes get washed out in bright sunlight. Look for smartwatches that offer adjustable color settings, allowing you to choose a mode that enhances readability in outdoor conditions. To recap, when choosing a smartwatch for outdoor use, consider brightness, high nit count, screen technology, AMOLED or transflective LCD, anti-reflective coatings, display size and resolution, operating system optimization, and color options. By paying attention to these factors, you can ensure that your smartwatch is easy to read, even when you're out and about in the sun. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you next time.